Hello, Tim here with Ambush Outdoor Products. Just wanted to make you aware of a new product, our shelf with netting and rod holder storage. These shelves come in two sizes, 6.5 foot long and 8 foot long. Both come with rod holder storage underneath and netting to hold your items in place. They mount within the PVC mounting board so they can be installed easily on existing units. The 6.5 foot shelf can be mounted full length on the end walls of the Slayer and Shanty units. The 8 foot shelf can be mounted full length on the end walls of the Slammer or the back wall of a Striker XL. These shelves are a great place to stash your gear, such as sleeping bags, pillows, coats, fishing gear, and so forth. This will keep your fishing area clear of clutter. Find the nearest dealer to you at ambushicefishing.com.